Hello world, it's Satyam Tekri. Now in this video we see the example of break and continue keyword using the program. So we see two programs, first to understand the break keyword and another to understand the continue keyword. So first clear this. So as we have understand that break keyword terminate the loop immediately. So we want to print number from 1 to 50 which is less than 25. So for that first we create the for loop which prints number from 1 to 20. So int I equal to 0 initialization, then condition I is less than equal to 50 I plus plus. Sorry, instead of comma we have to use semicolon. So here we write print I plus 1. That's mean it's print if it is the first iteration, then it's print 1. In the second iteration, it's print 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now here we want to put the condition that if I plus 1 is greater than 25, then break the loop. So in that case, first we create the condition using if statement. If I plus 1 is greater than 25, so we have created the condition using the if statement that if I plus 1 is greater than 25, then break the loop. Now this break statement will break this loop immediately and come outside the loop and print code after loop block. So here we write code after loop block. So first we have create the for loop which prints number from 1 to 50, but we want to print the number which is less than 25. So for that we create the condition using the if statement that if I plus 1 is greater than 25, and inside the condition we write the break statement. This break statement will break the loop immediately. So let's check. Click on the run button, and yeah, it's print number from 1 to 25, and after 25 it's execute the break statement, and this break statement will put the control out of the loop and execute the code after the loop block. So that's why it's print code after loop block. Now we see the continue keyword. So first clear this. Now for the continue keyword, we create the program which print number from 1 to 50 which is only odd. So here first we create the for loop which prints number from 1 to 50, and inside that loop we put the condition that if the number is even, then don't print that number. So first create the for loop int I equal to 0 initialization, then condition I is less than 50 semicolon I plus plus print I plus 1. So now we have created the for loop which prints number from 1 to 50. Now inside the loop we have to create the condition that if I plus 1 is even or not. So we have created the statement that I plus 1 percent 2 is equal to 0. That's mean the remainder of I plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 0. Then the I plus 1 is an even number. We have seen this condition in the past video, that how to create the condition of even number. So this is how it's find whether the number is even or not. So if the condition is true, that means the number is even. So if the number is even, then we want to tell the iterator that skip this iteration and goes to the next iteration. So for that we use continue keyword. This continue keyword will skip the current iteration. That's mean it skip the whole code of current iteration and it goes to the next iteration. For example, if here I plus 1 is equal to 2, then in that case it goes inside the condition and execute the continue keyword. So this continue keyword will skip all the remaining steps of the current iteration. It skip all the code, all the statement of current iteration and goes for the next iteration. So that's how it skip the even number and print the odd number only. Because if the number is even, then it skip that iteration and goes to the next iteration. This continue keyword will execute if the number is even. In this case, okay, not in all the case, but in this scenario, this continue keyword will execute if the number is even. So let's see. Click on the run button. So it's print number from 1 to 50, which is odd. It have not print the even number because we have put the condition in the even number that if the number is even, then execute the continue keyword. So this continue keyword will skip this current iteration. That means it have not execute this statement, this print I plus 1 statement. So that's why it have not print the even number. So in this video we understand the program or a practical example of break and continue keyword. So that's it for this video and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.